Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So the first step is to visit zoom.us in a web browser and then sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click on Schedule a Meeting from the top. Now enter in a topic and a description for your meeting. Next, choose the date and time the meeting is supposed to start. Choose the duration of the meeting. If you would like to make this a recurring meeting, simply click the recurring meeting option and then choose how often you want this recurring meeting to occur. For added security, all Zoom meetings are now password protected. You can change the password by entering in your custom password in this text box. Next, you can choose to either enable or disable the video for you, the host, and also the participants of the meeting. The last available customization options you can make are allow participants to join before the host, mute participants upon entry to the Zoom meeting, enable waiting room and record the meeting automatically on your computer. Once you're done, simply click on Save. Now to invite participants to this meeting, simply click on Copy Invitation. Click on Copy Meeting Invitation and send the meeting details to the person you would like to invite to the meeting. If you want to find out how to schedule a meeting in Zoom and learn some other Zoom tricks, you can view my Zoom playlist. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos.